What's up, everybody? You know what? I got a little package in the mail today, and right here, let's see, lower this down a little bit, but let me turn this light on. Where's my light? Where's my light bulb? There we go. Anyway, so this company, Lasfit, they sent me this little package here. And it's not nothing major, but let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Of course, I already opened it. No spoilers here. Right? So it is some LED bulbs. Right? And I believe these are the turn signals. So obviously this video is sponsored by Lasfit. They sent me these. They contacted me on Instagram. Asked me, there's the model number. Looks like that's a T37443A. Obviously it's got a QR code. Right? So these are supposed to be for the turn signals, I believe. So I've actually never taken the turn signal off or messed with it at all. So we're going to see how these look, I know a lot of you guys, you hate incandescent bulbs, and I'm pretty sure those are incandescent bulbs. But, so let's switch them out. Let's see what it takes and see how they look. Let's go. Ooh, got the hood struts. Remember that? Yeah. The red line hood struts. Now, obviously, you see the lights here. But let's, actually, you know what? I think it's just that easy. I think it's right there. So these are the bulbs. Let's see if you can see in there. It's just an incandescent bulb. And I want to say, let me turn this light on here. If you guys can see that, but right there. So obviously the bulb is like right here, and I'm pretty sure that's it. So let's just probably turns, I'm guessing. And the wiring harness is tight. Will it pop off there? I was wondering if I should take that little clip out. Oh, it pops out. It is tight though. Like super tight. So, you know what? Let's turn the lights on and let's see what it looks like with the regular bulbs now. So we can do a comparison. See what they look like. I mean, they don't look bad, Guys hate those incandescent bulbs for some reason. Let's see how easy it is to get to this passenger side one. Oh yeah, it's the same. Same thing. Easy. Let's see, does this turn down? Oh, this one turns down, which makes it even easier. Alright, so let's change one. Let's change the driver's side, and then let's see if there's a difference. Alright, well, we got that sun peeking over right there, so it's going to be kind of a pain, but I mean, I'm not sure if the camera could pick it up, but those LEDs, they are brighter for sure. They're definitely brighter. It almost seems like they're a little teeny bit faster, but I don't know, maybe that's just how it looks. Like I said, the incandescent doesn't look bad, but the LED definitely is brighter. But we'll see. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna see how it looks like and when it gets dark, and then we're going to switch the other one out and compare. Well, I guess we'll just see how they look in the dark. But let's wait till sun goes down. Alright, well, if you were curious as to what the difference looks like, I mean, that's a pretty dramatic difference right there. Oh, the stupid light keeps turning on here. But on the left, you got the incandescent, and on the right, you got the LED from Lasfit. So I'm gonna say that is a lot brighter. Honestly, I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it is way brighter. So the look is the same, definitely difference in brightness. So let's switch switch the other one out and then take a look. All right, well, there it is. For those of you that despise incandescent bulbs, that's what the LEDs look like. They are super bright, man. The look is close to the same as the incandescents. They're just way brighter. So, alright, just another video. Lasfit. I'll put a link in the description down below if you're interested. Like I said, you despise those incandescents, you want some LEDs, the link will be down there. And like and subscribe. Till next time, have a good one. Peace.